score 95%, just let me give you a reality check that you don't need a good strategy, but you also need to be very consistent with whatever you are studying. Even if you are studying for 2 hours, you do that every single day. So consistency is that one habit that you have to build every single day. I'm there to help you, and I have got a full planner as to in which particular months what should be your approach and what all should you target in those time period. Can I score 95% in class 10 if I start my preparations in April? This is that one question that most of the students have. And let me be very honest with you that yes, you can. In fact, April is the best time for you to begin with your preparations because you have sufficient time to cover all the concepts in depth. While most of the students feel that I'll start my preparations from tomorrow, next week, next month, without realizing that it's actually the month of December, you have lots and lots of syllabus, backlogs, and very less time to cover all of these things. So to score 95%, just let me give you a reality check that you don't need a good strategy, but you also need to be very consistent with whatever you are studying. It's not possible that today you'll study for 2 hours, tomorrow you study for 6 hours, then you don't study for 3 days in a row. That won't help. So please make a habit that you study, even if you're studying for 2 hours, you do that every single day. Make a habit so that your mind is automatically tuned to take out books and go through revision as well as new concepts. So consistency is that one habit that you have to build every single day. And this is the right time when you can start doing so because you have some time to build a habit. Now, followed by what strategy should we actually follow? How shall we plan the coming time? How shall we look forward to the coming months in order to get the best results? For that, I'm there to help you, and I have got a full planner as to in which particular months what should be your approach and what all should you target in those time period. So firstly, talking about phase 1, that is going to be from April to June. Now during this time, you don't have a lot of syllabus, your session is just beginning, classes are new, so the pace is relatively slow. And during this time, definitely you can build your concepts. Please make sure that you study whatever is being taught that particular day so that there is no backlog. And whenever you are studying, make sure to keep your NCERT with you and study it line by line. Understand every single thing without rattafying. When you are understanding or reading NCERT line by line, make sure to cover every activity, every diagram in text as well as back questions. This will help you in understanding what are the kind of questions that can be asked in the exams. Now coming to phase 2, which is actually July to October wala phase. Now this is actually the time when you're also going to have your midterm exams. So you need to be very well efficient with question practice. So please make sure to practice lots of questions, whether it is NCERT question, reference book question, PYQs, sample papers. Try and solve as many questions as possible during this particular time. Okay. And while you do all these PYQs, you are going to realize that many of these questions are from NCERT only. That means board definitely picks up questions from NCERT and reframes them and give it in your exams. So it's always an edge to prepare from NCERT first. Okay? Also, please make sure that this time is also around when most of the festivals come. So please don't get distracted. Do enjoy, but also devote good enough time for your studies. Then during the phase 3, that is from November to January, it's actually the time when you're getting closer to your board exams. So please make sure to revise as well as solve sample papers in an exam-like setting. Okay? During this time, beta, what will help is how many questions you solve, because that will help in rectifying whatever mistakes you make. Okay, revise the syllabus as well as solve papers. Give time test, very important, because this will help you also know whether you are lagging somewhere in your speed or you are too early. So knowing a well balanced time management is also extremely essential for you. And these are mistakes that most of the students make. So please make sure that whenever you are watching this video, you make a pact that, okay, I'm not going to fall for any of these things. Firstly, ignoring NCERT, like I said, it is extremely important. You have to go through every single question, every single diagram, every single activity. Okay? Consider this to be your best friend. Okay? Then creating backlogs. ऐसा नहीं करना है that you will leave something for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, next month. No. If you have decided to study today, study today. No matter how tired you are, fight against your mind and then sit and you will realize how strong you are. Okay? Then again, if you don't revise, you will not create a memory backup. So keep on revising so that you can enhance your retaining power. Studying without solving questions won't help because you will not realize what is the pattern. You might know the concept really well, beta, but what if somebody asks a question? And in that case, you should know how to articulate it well. This is also one thing, okay? Again, there are certain batches that we are coming up for class 10th. We know it's very essential for you to be board ready, to be exam ready, and we are always there to help you out for that. Okay? So we have two batches for class 10. If you are a CBSE class 10 aspirant, please you make sure that you enroll in Udan 2027 batch. This batch is going to be in pure English language. Be very mindful about this, that we will be covering all the subjects in English language. Again, you have two plans for this. One is the batch plan, that is going to be for 3,000 rupees for the entire year for all of these subjects. Okay, you will get everything over here: live classes, recordings, doubt support, handwritten notes, DPPs, every single thing. Okay? There is also another plan, that is Infinity plan, which is for rupees 4,200 for the entire year. In this, you have some additional features, like you will also get 24/7 doubt support. You will also have infinite questions to solve from your doubt areas. So all these are benefit when you enroll in Infinity plan. Okay, it's your choice. The content quality is absolutely going to be top notch in either of these plans, but again, it's your choice if you want Infinity or batch. But Udan, please be mindful about this, is for class 10th in English. Okay? Now, if you are an ICSE aspirant, or if your friends or your siblings are in ICSE class 10, you can recommend this batch to them as well. Then we have Victory 2027, again in pure English language. And for this particular batch also, we have two variants. One is the batch plan, which is going to be for rupees 4,500 for the entire year. And again, Infinity for rupees 6,700 for the entire year. Infinity may, again, you are going to get some additional features. It is absolutely on you which batch or which batch particularly you want to enroll in, but please make sure that you do so at the earliest, because the classes are going to start and we don't want you to miss out on any of these valuable lessons, any of these class interactions, and together we will secure 95%. This is our promise to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.